Maritime security in the Indian Ocean. Hello students, today we will discuss maritime security in the Indian Ocean region. Recently, India emphasized the importance of maritime security in the Indian Ocean. Now, why is this region important? The Indian Ocean carries a major share of global trade and energy transportation. Important sea routes connecting Asia, Africa, and Europe pass through this region. India's location gives it strategic importance in the Indian Ocean. However, challenges like piracy, maritime competition, and illegal trafficking are increasing. This is why India promotes maritime cooperation. An important concept here is SAGAR. SAGAR means security and growth for all in the region. It reflects India's vision for regional security and cooperation. Another important organization is IORA, Indian Ocean Rim Association. Students, this topic is important for international relations, security, geography, and economy. For prelims, study IORA, UNCLOS, Maritime Chokepoints. For mains, use this topic in Indo-Pacific strategy, maritime diplomacy, regional security. Remember, the Indian Ocean is India's strategic lifeline. To learn more, download the EduRev app. Thank you.